Hi, come and join me in the making of a fun pinball machine that can be made out of scrap materials and within 1 hour. Here is what you need. For the bottom plate, one piece of wood, no matter what. It only has to be flat and the surface smooth. Mine is plasticized chipwood of 60 by 45 centimeters from an old kitchen cabinet. Furthermore, you'll need some rubber bands, some nails, a flexible strip of some kind, and you could do without, but nice would be some spray cans with pretty colors. And you'll need some wooden strip. First you get wild with the colors on the bottom plate. While the paint is drying, you cut the wooden strips exactly as long as the longer sides of the sheet. Then you nail one side exactly in the corner. The other side you will leave some room and nail it also. Repeat on the other side. Then cut the last piece of wood exactly as wide as the object now is and nail it onto the top. For some extra strength, you put in some extra nails. To know where to put them, I drew a line from the top to the bottom nails that are already in place. To be able to nail the strip, I had to cut off some nails because otherwise they would be too long. Nail the strip into the box. Then you can go crazy with the nails and the rubber bands. If you have got kids nearby, let them help with thinking of a layout. Don't worry if you mess up, you can always correct it later. When you're done, then stick some screws or large nails in the shooting bands. To make it a bit more exciting, you can add scores to different tracks. Now, let the kids have fun!
Ik heb er, ik had hem. Ja. Mama, ik heb deze.
Ik kan hem daar een beetje best vernieuwen.
Lekker bezig.